Okay, short videos. That's what we're going to do. All right. So, what are we going to talk about? The pressure, and how nobody ever suggested that maybe it was a bad cylinder head that was making the pressure stay inside. Everyone's going on about this thing and the cap like this and all the obvious stuff. But that's where it usually ends. Nobody went to the cylinder head, which is something that I had to filter through all the other advice to get to the point of realizing that it was none of those things and that I had to figure out what it was and get a better understanding of how the cooling system is designed, how the motor is designed, the passages that those fluids run through, etc., etc., etc. So that's it. It wasn't the cap. It wasn't the thermostat. And for those, are you sure you topped off your coolant? Yes. So here we are, next morning. Taking this out, now taking the battery out. Then I've got to look for my tools. I've got to look for this 8mm. And I got to look for that little star in there, that black one. Right there. And there. And take this off. And then I think the next thing to do is relieve the pressure on the hoses by just skimping this or squeezing that and letting the air out. Yeah, it's out. Still, hear that? Anyhow, that's open. I'll put this away somewhere.